Hello, this is a video tutorial on how to navigate your SmartVault account. This is the home page once you log into your SmartVault account. And on the left side menu bar, you'll see Home, Upload Documents, View Files and Folders, Requested Docs. Upload Documents is where you would upload documents to us. And by doing that, you would click on Upload Documents, then you would choose a taxpayer's name, and then you would click on Upload File. View Files and Folders is where you would, again, choose a name to view what files and folders are within that name. The upload folder will show all of the documents that you have either recently uploaded from back in the Upload Documents folder, or you can upload a file here too. You'll see client upload or tax years listed. Click on a tax year of your choosing. I'm going to click on tax year 2024, and within that folder you're going to see client organizer checklist, client tax returns. Every year we put in our annual client organizer checklist, which we have everybody fill out and submit with their tax documents. This is where you would go to find that organizer. Or you can click on client tax returns. Within this folder, you will see e-file forms. This is where we put a copy of your signed e-file forms. Engagement docs. This is where we put your engagement document with us that you have accepted through BizPayo. The estimates folder is for estimated tax quarterly payment vouchers. If you are required to pay those, that's where you would find them. Invoice is generally blank unless you hire us outside your tax engagement to do work for you. Payment vouchers is where you would find your payment vouchers if you have any tax due at the time of filing your tax return. And if you haven't chosen to have us direct debit it out of your bank account at the time of filing, you would go here and print out the payment vouchers and mail in your payment. Source documents is where we, at the end of tax season, gather all of your uploads or take your hard copy documents and scan them, and we put them in this source documents folder. So if you ever need them and going forward in the future, this is where you would go to find them. Going back home and looking at requested docs. Requested docs is where we would send you, or possibly send you, a request for any missing documents we may need. So for me, if I click on it, it looks like I've been asked to submit a W-2 and a 1098 mortgage statement. So I would upload each file, and I could leave a note if I wanted to. I have uploaded what you asked for. And then going back home to the home page, you will notice some shortcuts. So you could just click here to quickly upload documents. You could click here to view documents quickly. You could click here to view and respond to the requests if we have sent you any requested document. And then here is the SmartVault Academy, which is video tutorials that SmartVault has created for clients to watch. That's it. I hope that was helpful. And obviously, let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.